of similar color, scissors, thread, pins, chalk, ruler or measuring tape, buttons, and some push button. Now we'll use the old pair of jeans to make the front part of the dungaree. If you want, you can use the new jeans which you want to work on and make a half dungaree or a 3/4 dungaree depending upon your requirements. To make the front part, I'm just gonna measure a random measurement which I want and leave some extra space for seam allowance and mark it. Then I'll cut only one leg of the pant to make the front part. Cut open the jeans required for the front part and on its back side, measure the length you want. But make sure you leave 1 cm seam allowance on top and 1 inch seam allowance on bottom because to attach push buttons, as that part will be inside the jeans. For the waist part, measure the entire front waistline of your jeans and for the top, measure how much ever you want. Draw the outlines and make sure the shape is a trapezoid. This is how the front part will look once it has been cut and hem the edges. Now we'll place the front part inside the jeans to mark the place where the push buttons are to be stitched. Mark the points both on the jeans as well as on the front part. You can mark however you want, but make sure the distance is even. I'll take a small piece of jeans which I am gonna cut and stitch it on the front part of the jeans in the shape of a pocket. This is how the pocket will look like once it has been cut and hemmed at the edges. I have also made a small embroidery for it to look nice. Now place the pocket at the center, leaving a small space from the bottom which will be inside jeans, and pin it. This is how the pocket will look like once it has been stitched. Now for the straps, I'm going to use a long piece of jeans and cut it. Now cut 3 equal strips from that part which are neither too thin nor too thick. Fold all the 3 pieces of strips from the center and place them together. Make sure the center piece is in the opposite direction so that it gets a different look. Now bind it using a thread and secure it. Once secured, start braiding it. On one side of the braid, leave enough cloth to pass a button. Align the 3 pieces of the ends. After aligning them, secure them with a pin. Then leave enough length to pass a button and then pin again. Then cut it in any shape you want. I have cut them in shape of steps. After stitching the 3 pieces together, cut a slit for the button to pass through. Extend the braided straps for the back side and place them in a cross or straight, however you like. Mark the place where the push buttons are to be stitched, both on the jeans as well as on the straps. Here place 2 push buttons per strap for it to be more secured.